And so I'm really mad about that. But
oh yeah, this is nice and light. We forgot Murray's water bowl. Well, we didn't forget it. It's locked inside the camper.
okay, careful. Do not crush your fingers. So it's Saturday morning and we came up here for, well, we came up to drop off some stuff, do a little bit of work because we got to go back to Maine. And no, we're in Maine. We got to go back to New Hampshire to watch our kids play the second half of their football game that was canceled. And I don't know if I mentioned that we bought a camper to have at the property. Looks a little Walking Dead-ish right now out here, but yeah, we were like 3/4 of the way here, which is a 2-hour-and-a-half drive, and I forgot the darn keys. And so I'm really mad about that, but at least we're going back tonight. And I even tried my hand at picking the locks with some bobby pins in my purse, but I guess I need to take a class because I wasn't very good at that. So here we are, locked out of the camper. I don't like it when things don't go my way.
It happens.
What are we getting?
The generator, so we can have some power. Cable. Murray, go on. So 5.5 inches for the first. Well, actually, no. It'll be about 9 inches, right? Yep. 9 inches.
Somewhere up there. There's a screw, he says. Oh, I see it now. Murray's here to help too.
Mm-hmm.
Right, Murray?
He's always here to help.
There's some more OSHA not accepted footings that my husband has put in. And we're gonna drill another hole. Yeah, that's not sketch at all. So I've been sent to get what I believe is this bit for the boss. I think it's called a Forstner bit.
There it is. One more. Thankfully, I remember to bring the third tab we're going to need, so. He was thirsty. More wax. Bees are like, what are you doing? It weighs more than you do.
I know that.
Get it?
I hope so. Don't drop it on my head.
No, that would stink. Here you go.
There we go. The big boy.
It's so easy with this thing.
Yeah.
I think we always do this on the most humid days.
I know, I was gonna say, I see sweat dripping off your face. Oh, what a good boy you are. Oh, and you relaxed and everything. All right, and here we have the Smith boys.
Oh yeah, this is nice and light.
Do you want my
6 feet?
assistance?
Yeah, there's no way.
Was that it? Yeah? You want my assistance?
Built some fucking handles on it. You know, we're gonna put it. Actually, let's do this.
Let me get out of here.
Hold on. Yeah.
Oh, yeah. I like this idea. Yeah. Go. Yeah, put your end over there. Hold on.
You got that steady?
Yep. Kinda. Go to your left.
Oh my God.
You got that steady. Flip flop it. Yeah. Oh, go more my way. Yeah.
Still gonna have to go up like a foot.
I'm really not doing anything. I can't get over there
Paul,
on
do
your
you
end.
want me to get on that end with you?
No. Just get in there for a
Yeah,
second.
I'm gonna
Actually,
get.
I can get this end. Get Eric's end.
got
Put go higher.
Ooh.
Nope.
No?
Put that end
Eric's
down.
end.
Eric's end. Okay.
Put that end down.
Lower your end,
Lower
Paul.
your neck.
Go up.
There you go.
Ooh.
Perfect.
Oh, that just
It's
switches
fine.
around.
Pick that up. Do you want to spin that around for us? That
Yeah,
little-
that works. Just don't drop it on me.
Man, that's not like pick them forward.
You gotta come this way so I can
Oh,
spin it.
maybe if I can rescue you.
I'll suck it up.
I think we can pick it straight up, just so that flat surface has to be
Yeah,
against this beam.
yeah.
Let's see if I can get in here. I don't have a good too high. You ready? I got a nice grip. Ready?
I'm ready. Go your way, Paul. Go your way. Yep.
Okay,
Okay,
careful.
good,
Do
good,
not
good.
crush your fingers.
Oh, your fingers out of the way.
Yeah. Yep.
There we go.
Oh, perfect.
All right. All right. Engineering feats here by the
Yeah.
Smith and Smith.
Seriously? Can't figure out a ladder. I'll go that high. Walk it right up, maybe.
No? Yes?
Give it help. I don't know. We'll find out. Yeah. I don't know how long your legs are, but. Oh. Nope, probably not that long.
Do it.
Go.
There you go.
Hold on.
Inch it. Inch it.
Now we can.
I'm gonna go help push.
All right.
Maybe. There you go.
Hold on.
There you go.
Oh.
Pick it up and just pull that tab out a little bit. No, that's good.
It's good.
No,
That's
in my
better.
face.
We'll be back. Take 2. We'll be back tonight. Good morning.
All right, we just had some bacon and eggs. Now we're gonna go try to move that yoke we put up yesterday, see if we can level it up and get it secured to the bottom of the tree, hopefully, maybe. We'll see. It's starting to sprinkle. There's Will, he's up here helping me for the day. He's a man of few words.
How's it going?
Should be it.
Nice.
Here comes the film crew. There's the camera lady.
Hey, Will, sit it over here for now if you want. We'll just cut it up later.
What's our objective this morning? Right
So
now?
now we've got the tree out of the way. We can slide this a little more to the left. Ooh, good. One more.
All right, Will, if I pull this out,
Oh.
temporarily fasten the bracket to the beam so it doesn't slide.
How's that look? Well,
They're good.
Oh, that's perfect. That couldn't be better. Little not perfect.
That's all right.
Dad's just trying to mark the tree.
Just a bit here.
Okay. Just put on a drill. All right, so Will and I got the whole board out. Looks good, centered, everything's plumb and level. Now we have to take this tab out. So I think these knee braces are bolted at the top, so they shouldn't move a ton, but we're gonna pull this out, put a rope through here to kind of hold these together because the tab's backwards. We've got to flip it 180 degrees and then screw it into the tree.
Right,
Good?
I'm looking.
Here. I got this.
I can angle this.
I think I got to put a spacer before we screw this in. I just remembered. So if it goes in 5 3/4, that means this thing's going to come out 5 3/4, right? And that was a 2 plus 2 1/4, so 8 inches. taking her turn, no pun intended, at the big pipe wrench.
It's kind of fun.
It is fun.
So bad you can't go around.
I know.
Around and around.
A full revolution. So we still need to put a spacer up there on this tab, on the back side and on the front side. But we'll do that next weekend. All right, we got the tab in, the spacer. That's the remaining spacer we cut from the pipe. So I think we're gonna call it. It's starting to rain a little heavier, so we might call it for the weekend. So there it is. Got our first yoke up. Hopefully, we'd hope to get 2 up this weekend, but I think the rain's going to kind of cut that short. So next weekend we'll work on the one in the back, and then hopefully we can get our beams on, some floor joists in, and actually start to have a platform built.